Go ahead, go ahead.
Jana Yashodanandana Brajajana Ranjana Jamunatira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Radha Madhava Radha Madhava Radhe Jaya Radha Madan Mohan Radha Madan Mohan Radhe Jaya Gauranita Jaya Gauranita Jaya Gauranita Jaya Gauranita Jaya Sita Ram Jaya Lakshman Hanuman Jaya Sita Ram Jaya Lakshman Hanuman Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada Jaya Srila Prabhupada.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I was just thinking maybe my audio is clear or audio is like broken?
No, Prabhu, clear.
It's clear?
At least from me, it's clear.
It's clear, Prabhuji.
Okay, that sounds good. And no one can see me, right?
No.
No.
Okay, my video
No,
is
we
on.
see a locked screen.
Video is on, and but it's saying it's like a lock screen. I don't know how the locks will go away.
Yeah, I also have never seen this before.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Om Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshururmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Shapadantikam Bande aham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam वैष्णवांश्च ये रूपं शक्रजातं सहगना रघुनाथारनितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादं सहगना ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितंश्च नमोऽयं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्ता स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे वंशकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यः वैष्णवेभ्यः नमो नमः नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेम पदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिशे नमः हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत तप्त कंचन गौरंगी शिराधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विश्वभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिये जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण so today is the fourth class on deep dive and we have one more class for this session that will be coming Saturday and also preparing for certificates who are regularly joining our classes. So as I know, almost over here all are joined regularly. And Vaishali, if you can send me Prabhuji's name to WhatsApp, and yeah, I know Jati Mataji's husband, Manmohan Prabhu's name. So I'll send it to Amy for the certificate. So anyone want to share the last Saturday, last part of our class, where we end, which areas we end?
I can share, Prabhuji.
Okay, Jyoti Mata, please.
You had talked about the Taitik Brahmin that came to visit and how Bhagwanji kept Chaitanya Mahaprabhu kept stealing is the wrong word, kept accepting the bhoga that was being offered to Bhagwanji and accepting it, and thus the Brahmin was confused by it, and he kept making more and more bhoga, and finally Bhagwanji showed his full form to the Brahmin.
Jai.
Jai.
Okay. Okay, so today we'll start with the Mangalacharan. Already done. And with the blessings of Mangalacharan, so we will start from there where we left. Before I start, I want to hear from you. Last week, we was discussing about Lord Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, name of Nimai. So we got a few reasons, and we want to hear that's how much you remember the reasons for name of Nimai. Everyone can share one.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. So why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got Nimai name is he born under a name tree, so he got that name, and he have 3 names. I remember only one name.
Okay.
This Nimai, how Nimai he got, I know that name.
Okay. How he got the name?
He born under the name tree.
Okay, born under the neem tree. Okay, one is
Yeah.
a Nimai. Another one reason anyone can share?
He was medicinal, like the medicines act upon the physical body. His name takes us to the spiritual world. And in fact, Yamraj said that he was running out of business because of Bhagwanji. And so that was why he was called Nimai.
Okay. Another? Vaishali? Vaishali, can you hear? Vaishali, we can't hear you.
Prabhuji, can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah, I was trying to connect the earphones. Sorry. What
Okay.
was the question? I think I missed it when I was connecting.
We hear about the 2 regions of Nimai's Mahaprabhu's name as Nimai. So other one regions. One is a neem tree, another one is like a medicinal, like a bitter to Yamraj. That's a god name is Nimai. And what is the other name for Nimai? Other region.
I was only able to actually recollect those 2. But the other reason was also something related to being bitter and
Bhuta,
was it
Petaha.
something to do with Vishnu? So all the negative energies will go away because of that bitterness, and because he has come to deliver the world, so those anarthas will go away in that sense. I think I'm
Right.
vaguely recollecting few things, so I think this might be the reason.
Absolutely. Okay. So today, after he was giving blessings to Taitik Brahmin, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then want to go to school, actually. But in the meantime, his older brother, what is his older brother name?
Vishwanath, something is there, Prabhuji.
Yeah, Vishwa is there, but Nath is not there. What is the Vishwa?
Vishwambhar.
Vishwakarma?
Vishwaroop. Vishwaroop.
Vishwaroop, sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. So Vishwaroop was going to Advaita Acharya Prabhu. And Advaita Acharya Prabhu's preaching, he understood about the ultimate goal of life. So when he understood about the ultimate goal of life, what he did? He was thinking to study more and more. Excuse me. In the meantime, Srila Jagannath Mishra and Mata Shachi Devi, they're actually talking about Vishwaroop. That my boy, son, looks beautiful, getting older. So because of that, we need to do something with him. What they're thinking to do what? What do you think?
Getting married.
Get married, okay. Anything else? Anyone?
Giving Brahman Diksha.
Giving a Brahman Diksha, okay. Anything else?
Prabhuji, sorry, can you explain the question, please?
The question is, when Vishwaroop, he was getting, all the knowledge from Advaita Acharya, and he looks very beautiful. So suddenly his parents, Jagannath Mishra and Shachi Mata, are thinking something about him. And what is that?
Yeah, he wants to get married.
Married, okay. Anything else, anyone?
And he wants to help his father.
He want to help his father, okay. Anything else?
That's it, Prabhuji, I know.
Okay. Vaishali?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Sorry, I don't recognize.
Okay, not a problem. Radha Sheba Mata?
Prabhu, I mentioned Brahman Diksha.
Oh yeah, you said Brahman Diksha, right. Arindam?
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Maybe apart from these things also came in my mind, but apart from that, could it be teach in the toll, like in Jagannath Mishra's toll?
Okay, teach in the toll. Nitarada Mata?
I was thinking maybe they sent him to school or some kind of place where he can learn like rules and regulations.
Okay. Okay. Jyoti Mata?
I don't know, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, how old was he at the time?
That time Vishwaroop was 12 years old.
So at 12 years old, I think that would be going towards further education, right? I don't know the answer.
Okay.
Sorry.
Manman Prabhu, what do you think?
Maybe because of his leelas, they were thinking that they have a divine personality as their son.
Okay. So far, we hear from everyone. Vaishali, I always forgot Prabhuji's name. Vaishali's husband.
Abhimanyu?
Your husband name, I always forgot.
Abhimanyu. His name is
Yes,
Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu. How I can forget the Abhimanyu, the great personalities. Abhimanyu Prabhu is there?
Sorry, Prabhu, he is not attending these classes. He attended first
okay.
class, but then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, in that time, anyone are above than 10 plus, they always think about marriage. And many of you already mentioned married, but I'm just getting some other expectations of, about someone's thoughtness. So Jagannath Mishra and Shachimata, they are talking about a marriage of Vishwarup. And Vishwarup, he already a scholar. He learned everything, all 64 colors, all 64, branches of the knowledge. He was expert on everything. So because of he complete all the knowledge, he's now teacher almost. So they are saying, let's find out a beautiful girl for him. And when they're talking, actually Vishwarup was just coming back from Advaita Acharya Prabhu's house. And he was hearing from the outside that his parents was talking. So he didn't disturb, he just stay outside of the door. And he hear complete what they're discussing. Hearing the parents that, they are finding out, or they're going to find out a girl for him. What the Vishwarup can think? What do you think?
He contemplated taking sannyas because that's the only way to escape marriage.
Yes. Immediately he decide how I can escape that. If I stay home, I cannot do anything. Only the way I can, avoid completely if I just take a sannyas. And what he did, the same night when he here in the evening time, that day everyone sleep, he fall asleep. He was actually acting to fall asleep. It's called Ditya Prahar of the Ratri Kala. So Ratri Kalas, total we have, how many Prahar we have in whole day and whole night? Anybody knows?
8, Prabhu.
8 Prahar. Okay, now.
What is Prahat, Prabhu? What is that?
That's where coming. That will come. Now, Nityaradha Mata, do you know that how many hours are becoming one Prahar?
I think it's 1 hour or 1.5 hours.
Okay. You have to just do a little bit of mathematics. Arindam already said the day and night, how many Prahar we have. So you just do the dividations. Okay.
3.
Aishwarya Mata. How many hours?
How many hours?
Becoming one Prahar.
Prabhuji, I don't know. Sorry.
Okay. So is 24 division by 8. So how many hours has become a?
3 hours.
3 hours. So 3 hours are becoming one Prahar. 160 minutes and 90 minutes are becoming one Muhurta.
Oh.
Then 45 minutes becoming one Danda. Danda. Then coming back to 22.30 seconds. Also have some names. That's a, that time there is no second, no minutes, no hours. They always calculate on that. Har, Lab, Khan, Danda, Muhurta, Prahar, Divashaha. Okay. Har is a second, Lab is a minute, Khan is 22 minutes, Danda is 45 minutes, Muhurta is 90 minutes, Prahar is 160, 108, 3 hours, 180 minutes, and then Divashaha is a Ashtaprahar. So that's how us calculate the people in old age. Okay, so we have a 4 prahar in the daytimes and 4 prahar in the night times. Meaning 12 hours is day, 12 hours in night. So second prahar of the nights. So nights start in generally the sunset happen in 6 o'clock, 6:30, like those timing zone. So second prahar means between 9 to 12. Between 9 to 12 is the second prahar of the night. So in second prahar, means after between 9 to 12, Vishwarup left the house. Excuse me. So Vishwarup left the house and he got sannyas. So then what happened? Next day, everyone get up, but they didn't, see Vishwarup. They're thinking, where is the Vishwarupa? When mother went to Vishwarup's room and saw Vishwarups are not there, and his Kharam are not there. So that means mother understood the Vishwarups are left from house. Immediately, she called Jagannath Mishra. And Jagannath Mishra sent some people to just show up, because Jagannath Mishra knows Vishwarup will not come back. And by that, what happened? They decide to actually send Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nimai, to school. But because of this reason, they decide what they can decide, to send to school or to not to send to school. What do you think?
Not to send to school, Prabhuji.
Why?
Because her mama, Sachimata, is thinking that if I send to school, he also, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also take the sannyas like his brother. Because he will understand more knowledge about what is in the world and all. That's why Sachimata is caring to don't want to send to school.
Right. So he start, meaning Mother Sachimata saying, if we send to the school to him, he will understood what is the ultimate duty of our life. And he also will get sannyas. By the scareness, they said, Nimai, he can't go to school. No toll. Now what happened when you're not going to school? You have plenty of time. So what are you going to do? If you have plenty of, I remember during our summer break, we live near a very nice river. So we used to spend our time in the water at least 4 to 5 hours. We play, we swing, we play many games in the water. We have a competition who can cross the river from this side to, by swimming, go to other side is almost more than almost 70 to 80 meters wider river we cross easily. So anyway, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's house near to the Ganges. So what he do? Along with his friends, he also go to the Ganges, explain the timing in the water. Now, how he will expend the timing in the water? He expending his timing by disturbing to the others. So one time, he saw all the young girls. These are teenage girls, not young girls, actually teenage girls. What they're doing, they take Billapatra, some Naividya. Billapatra means, bell leaves. Some Naividya means Bhoga. And flowers, incense. Do you know for what those girls actually bring those?
Or husband puja, husband prayer puja.
Husband pujas. They are all teenage girls. So what could be?
Shankarji puja.
Shankarji's puja. Shiv pujan.
Oh, yeah, Shiv puja. Right.
Yeah. They all bring those items for Shiv puja. But what Mahaprabhu did, Mahaprabhu came out from the water and start eating the Naividyas. And Mahaprabhu saying to those teenage girl, you know what? Whom you brought this item for worship? Worship me. You worshipping, means you came here to worship Lord Shiva, what he will give you. But if you worship me, you will get a very good husband. If you don't worship me, what you will get? Anybody can say what they will get? What Mahaprabhu said?
You will get the bad husband who will treat you ill.
Okay. Anybody else? Vaishali, could you remember? Jatimata?
I don't know, Prabhuji.
Okay. Radha Shiva Mata, can you guess?
That you'll get a bad husband, Prabhu. That's what I'm thinking. That's what he told them. No?
Okay. Nitya Radha Mata?
Maybe he said they will get a handicapped or that kind of husband.
Okay.
Oh.
Handicap kind of husband. Could be.
A disabled man. Oh my gosh.
Osharya Mata?
I agree with everybody. You won't get a good husband. If you wanted your dream husband, then you should worship Shiva.
But he's saying, if you don't worship, when you worship Shiva, if you don't worship me, then you will get something.
But if you don't worship, then you will not get the dream husband.
Okay.
Can I take a stab at it?
Yeah, Jatimata.
So if I'm gonna guess, I'm thinking Bhagwanji, Krishna Bhagwan says that whatever ras that you approach me, whatever mode you approach me, and that is how I'll reciprocate. So since Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is a form of Krishna himself, one would think that he's never going to curse somebody, right? He's going to reciprocate whatever they are offering. So if they offer him with love and devotion, he is going to return that. And if they don't approach him with the same, then that is their loss. But he's never going to curse them.
Okay. Shivanidhi?
I think I remember hearing somewhere that he was jokingly saying that you all will get bald husbands.
Bald husband?
Yeah, like no hair, something like
Okay,
that.
yeah. Okay. Okay. Arindam?
I don't have idea, Prabhu.
Okay. Who is in a Oh My God name on Facebook? I don't know your name. Could you please tell who are you? Okay, you can text your name. So Mahaprabhu said, Buro Buro Shami Pabe Tin Tin Shotini. If you don't worship me, you will get 90 years old husband. Along with you will get a free gift.
Ah.
What is the Shatini meanings?
Kids?
No.
No, Satan.
Saten, Satal ko what's called in English?
Second wife, like you will be you will also have that person will have another wife too.
That person will have another 3 wives. You will be the number 4. Tin Tin Shatini means the 3 wives that person have. You will get husband like that kind of persons only. So when Mahaprabhus are talking like that, then Mahaprabhu by forcefully, the girls don't want to give any naividyas, by forcefully Nimai are taking those puja offering, then those girls are prostrated. What they did, then they walk down to Mata Shachi and they complain against Nimai. Look, your child Nimai, who came in this Ganga, you don't have any time, send him into the school. Why you don't send him to school? And he's just disturbing all of us. What he do? He take our naividya, what we prepare for Lord Shiva. He take all the flowers and give it to the Ganga Mata, what we brought for Lord Shiva. And if we, forcefully, if we take out from his hand, then he said, we'll get a husband is like 90 years old, along with a 3, our co-partner, means he have 3 wives. They make a complaint. Shachimata are just saying, Nimai, do not do that. From tomorrow, you can go to the Ganges. Okay? Said, okay, Mata, I'm not going to go to Ganges. Now what he doing? He's not going to the Ganges, but he's staying in the house, it's like, the road of the Ganges. When Brahmana, they are coming out from the, taking bath, Nimai taking some mud and just throw it with them, top of their body. So ultimately he has, disturbing all the Brahmanas. One day one Brahmana was so angry, very angry. And that Brahmana actually caused him. Anybody remember what caused that Brahmana did to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Anybody can guess?
You will go away from your house.
You will go away from your house, okay? Jyoti Mata?
I don't know, Prabhuji.
Okay. Nitya Radha Mata?
Yeah, I haven't heard Prabhu.
Okay.
I don't.
Arindam?
So this is also I know, but I cannot remember right now.
Okay. So Brahmana said, you are a very, what called chanchal? Chanchal in English?
Very unstable,
Restless.
restless, and
Yeah,
yeah.
restless.
Naughty also.
A naughty boy.
Yeah.
You don't have a situation, is like situating place, one place. It's like a Narada Every time you are here and there, I'm causing you. You will not going to be stay in home at all. One time will come. So Mahaprabhu are very happy. And Mahaprabhu said, wait a minute, let me bring some flour and give it to you. Because that's the Mahaprabhu's plan, right? So he accepted as a not a cause, he accepted as a blessings because he want to become a sannyasi and he want to travel. He don't want to stay in one place.
Prabhu, is this incident was in the bank of the Ganges?
Bank of the Ganges, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Now I remember.
Yeah. So now, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu done with the causes with the Brahmana. Now he is not going to the Ganges anymore. But what he doing? He was sitting top of the, contamination spot. The contamination spot meanings is, the old days, there is not a copper pots or not any other pots for cook. So they use, and specifically, there is a golden pots are there. But maximum time they use the clay pots. And clay pots, if you cook once, then it's become a untouchable. After cooked, you take out the foods, then that pot is untouchable pot. If you touch that pot, you have to take bath again. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu now started playing top of those untouchable pot. And because they use wooden fire, so bottom of that pot a completely black mark. And he take those and his whole face and body is a completely blackish. Because of that mark. So how that black mark was happening? So the one of the villagers, they came and mentioned to Mother Shachi, "Oh Mata, look what your Nimai doing." Shachi Mata came, and what Shachi Mata saw? Aishwarya Mata, what Shachi Mata saw?
Prabhuji, sorry, Prabhuji, I wasn't attentive.
Not a problem. Radha Sheva Mata, what Shachi Mata saw? What Nimai doing?
He was causing a ruckus. He was playing on top of the pots and pans.
And those pots and pans are?
Clay pots and pans. So they were breaking. Was he breaking them? Oh.
Those were used. So it has a black thing. So he's getting everywhere black. Prabhuji.
Right. So it is a used pot, and they all actually, when they cook specifically rice and things on that pot, so that pots are becoming untouchable. If you touch, you have to take bath. What Mata Shachi mentioned to Nimai by seeing that? What Mata Shachi said? Shapna Mata.
Yeah, Prabhuji. Yeah. Nimai, you don't know what you are doing. Is that good or bad? You don't know that things, Mata said. And Prabhuji saying that, Mata, how I know what I am, this is good and this is not good. That's
Okay.
it.
Yeah, very good. Very
Means
good.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying doing everything with purposely. Because Sachimata have to know that what if he wants to go, if he go to school, then only he will learn everything. That's I know, Prabhuji.
Right. So Shachimata, when she mentioned Nimai, do you know those are all contaminated pots? It's a used pot. And why is contaminated? Because it is used as cooked rice. If you touch, you have to take bath. And that's not pure. Why you don't understand? Nimai said, how I can understand, Ma? I don't went to the school. And this is clay. Nimai start giving a philosophical knowledge. Philosophical knowledge. This is clay, and clay, clay is like earth. Earth is a Lord say, earth is Lord is a Bhumi Matas coming from the Lords. So what's the problem? So then Mata, Shachimata, she promised to Nimai, okay, I will send you to Gurukul. Please now you come out from there and go directly to take bath. Next day, Shachimata requesting to Jagannath Mishra to do Upanayan Samaskara to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Anybody remember when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got his Upanayan Samaskaras? How many years old he was?
$7 Prabhuji.
7 years, okay. Jatimata, could you guess?
I think we were just talking about him being 12 years old by now, so I'm gonna guess he was 12.
Okay, 12 years. Radha Shiva Mata?
Hare Krishna Prabhu, I was thinking 12 myself.
Okay, 12 years. Arindam?
Would it 7 or 9? It's earlier. 7, I say.
Okay. Jatimata?
Prabhuji, I think 12.
You think it's 12? Okay. Manmohan Prabhu, what do you think?
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. So Mahaprabhu actually, there is a mention that Brahmanas, the Upanayan Samaskaras must be done Panchama Varshani, first, on the 5th year, or Shastha Varshani, 6th year. Osharya Mata saying 8 years. Sorry, I didn't ask you. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he actually crossed 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years also. He entered Navam year, Navama Varsaha. Arindam was saying 7 or 9. The 9 is the right answer. So he was 9 years old. So that time, Jagannath Mishra was saying, okay, now I will do the Upavitam Samaskaras for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Upanayanam. So when Mahaprabhu did the Upanayan Samaskaras, Mata Saraswati Murtis, in front of the Mata Saraswati Murtis, he got the Upanayanam. And after Upanayanam, he went to his school, Gurukul. Did anybody knows where that Gurukul, or meaning the toll, not a Gurukul, is a toll, is a school, where that toll is situated by, where, what is the name of that village? Excuse me. So going for a Vidya, is a knowledge. And that village are completely all the knowledgeable persons came and learned from one person. So what is that village name? I don't think that you should know, but might be we have somewhere. Arindam, did you hear about the Mahaprabhu's toll village name?
Obviously, Prabhu, this is like a special place, but right now I cannot recall the name because there are several. Is it that's the village close to
Starting
where
with Vidya.
Vidyapur or something. I cannot recall. Prabhu.
Okay, that's fine. Anyone? Nityaradha Mata?
I don't know, Prabhu.
Okay. Let's not asking many. His name is Vidyanagar. Vidyanagar.
Oh my gosh, I was about to say that, Prabhu. Vidyanagar.
Oh,
So is it close to the place like Advaita Acharyas?
no. Vidyanagar, it is in situating in a Rituddeep. No, sorry. Vidyanagar, it is in a Madhudrum Deep.
Madhudrum.
No. I'm sorry. Not a Madhudrum Deep. Jannu Deep.
Okay.
It is in a situating in Jannu Deep. And there is other Deepas is called Ritu Deep was a Shumudragar, King Shumadra Sen's place. And Jannu Deep was Vidyanagar there. And then Madhudram Deep are Mamgachi, the Madhudram Deep. Then Kolodeep is Navadip. Then Madhyadeep are Belgachi. Shimantaddeep is Rajapur Jagannath. Godrum Deep is Sarupganj. We done all 9 deeps. Okay. Oh, Antaddeep is Mayapur. So anyway. Yeah, Radha Shiva Mata, are you saying something?
No, I was just saying it for myself. Antardeep is Mayapur. Just
yeah, because Antaddeep is a birthplace of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Right.
Jogati.
Okay, thank you, Prabhu. Thank you.
And oh, we miss one, Rudradeep. Rudradeep we miss. So which one is just on side of Antaddeep, where is Lord Shiva came, meditation for Lord Krishna and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, so Vidyanagar. And Mahaprabhu went to the Vidyanagar. Anybody remember the name of the teacher who are teaching to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Pandit Sarvabhaum.
No, Sarvabhauma's brother.
Oh, his brother.
Older brother. Should they be unmute yourself? You turn up your video.
I'm not so sure.
Not sure? Okay. Anybody else? Gangadas Pandit told. Okay, remember the name? Gangadas Pandit told.
Prabhuji, what is this toll?
Toll means okay, who want to explain what is the meaning toll? Arindam, do you know what is the toll meanings?
Yeah, Prabhu. So toll is not exactly Gurukul because there you have to you go and stay there like in traditional way. Toll is like a primary school but not primary school. It's the traditional, all these Vyakaran and Nyaya. So all these education is given by an acharya, but it's the setup is like a school.
Okay. So toll is ultimately Gurukulas. Gurukulas doesn't teach the Nyaya Shastra, Vyakarans, Alankar, Kavya, Tirtha.
Yeah.
Gurukulas only teach the Vedas.
Yes.
You know? So because that's actually Gurukulas things, and toll are particularly for those, there is a toll are run by Acharya, a teacher, and where they teach 64 kala. You know, it's called Choshatti Kala or Choshatti Vidya. 64 kalas of Nyaya, Kavya, Tirtha, Alankar, Vyakaranaha. So this is a different parts of the Vyakaran Shastras they teach in a toll.
So including the Ved Shastra?
No.
Oh, excluding, okay.
Yeah. So there is actually Puranas are there, Vedas there, but that Vedas are the Shankaracharya Vedas.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's not a pure. It's a mixture.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
So,
this I did not know.
Right. And also that Gangadas Pandit was the Acharya. He's not actually a normal human being. Anybody can guess whose reincarnation he is to came to teach Lord?
Sandipani?
Sandipani Muni, okay. Jatimata?
Yeah, we were also going to say Sandipani Muni.
Sandipani Muni, okay.
I was thinking Ved Vyas. But
Veda
if,
Vyas.
but if the toll does not teach Vedas, then that's not so.
They teach Vedas, but that's the Aschanna Vedas. You know, Shankaracharya's Vedas have the hidden, some philosophies are hidden, but conclusions they teach also.
So my guess would be that it was Ved Vyas.
Veda Vyas, okay. Radha Sheva Mata?
Prabhu, I was thinking Sandipani Muni myself.
Sandipani Muni, okay. Nityarada Mata?
Yeah, I think Sandipani Muni also.
Sandipani Muni. Okay. Osharya Mata?
Same Prabhuji, Sandipani Muni.
Okay. Sivanidhi?
Again, taking a guess, Prabhu, like everybody is saying, Sandipani Muni could be one. Could be.
Okay. Arindam?
Oh, I am not sure, but just making a logical guess, because Sandipani Muni was the guru of Sri Krishna. So just by making that reasoning.
Okay. So Sandipani Muni could be, but as I mentioned, the Vedas are Prasanna Vedas they are teaching, and with all the Vyakaran Shastras. Sandipani Muni doesn't going to be teach all the Vyakaran Shastras, because those are a shushkam, you know, is a shushka, is dry. Vyakaran is like a completely dry. So Sandipani Muni will be not going to be teach the dry items.
Okay.
So who could be? Who else? He want to be a guru of, he is the guru of all the demigods. He want to be a guru of
Naradji.
Narad. Okay. Anybody else can guess?
Brahaspati?
Brihaspati, yeah, Brihaspati.
Yes, that's the right answer. Brihaspati. Devaguru is Brihaspati. So Brihaspati wanted to get opportunity to serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So Lord said, okay, when I will come to the Kali Yugas, I will give you that opportunity. So Gangadas Pandit are actually Brihaspati. And that's why over there is a Vidyanagar, because Brihaspati came. So all the Deva, they come to his stall for learning. because he left from heavenly planets. So all came to here to learn the Shastras. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, can you guess how many days he complete his education?
60 days.
60 days, okay. Anybody else? Nityaradha Mata?
I would like to guess 21 days.
21 days, okay. Radha Sheva Mata?
Oh, Hare Krishna Prabhu. I'm sorry. I thought I was talking and I was not muted.
I know you're unmute, huh? Yeah, go ahead.
I was I'll take a guess, Prabhu, 45 days.
45 days. Jati Mata?
28 days.
28 days, okay. Oshariya Mata?
Prabhuji, 21 days.
21 days. Shivanidhi?
No idea, Prabhu, but like in a month or so.
Okay. Vaishali?
Prabhu, I guess 2 weeks.
2 weeks, 14 days. Okay. Arindam, finally.
No, I don't remember. This part we have gone through, but most likely 1 month, like 30 days. Yeah.
Okay. So how many colors I mentioned? How many colors of the education we have?
Oh, 64.
Every day he cover one section.
Yeah.
So,
So
Prabhuji,
Mataji was
same-
right, 64. Yeah.
64.
So, yeah, same like Krishna ji.
Yes. Krishna also, they are in Gurukulas for 64 days.
Oh,
Yeah.
So
I wish.
Mahaprabhu also finished all Bhakaran Shastras, all Nyaya Shastras and everything with 64 days. Now what happened? After he finishing the Bhakaran, actually middle of the his education, he goes to Srivas Thakur house. Srivas Thakur house is little far from his house. Now, he tried to stop Srivas Thakur and tried to discuss with him about the Bhakaran and Nyaya Shastra. Srivas Thakur first one day, he stopped. And Mahaprabhu start talking, what you guys are, chanting. What you guys, not a chanting, because Mahaprabhu doesn't start chanting yet, but that time they used to, sing. Harihara nama Krishna Jadavaya nama Jadavaya Madhavaya Keshavaya nama Gopala Govinda Ram Srimadhusudan Giridhari Gopinath Madana Mahan. Or they pray to Lord Narasimha, reading in Srimad Bhagavatam, Purana. So Mahaprabhu used to say, why are you reading Srimad Bhagavatam? What is in there? Bhakti is nothing. But you know what? The Bhakaran, the Nyaya Shastras is the ultimate Rasha. So Srivas Thakur cannot even answer. One day, his time is waste. Next day, what happened? When Srivas Thakur see that Nimai coming from the front, you know what Srivas Thakur used to do? Anybody can guess what Srivas Thakur used to do? Run away, hide himself. What? I will call up the name because no one is saying anything. Jati Mata, what do you think?
He started to swoon hearing the name of Krishna Bhagwan when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chanted.
No. So this is time is Mahaprabhu actually wasting time to Srivas Thakur. So one day Srivas Thakur thinking, this is the waste of the time. This boy,
And he's gonna run away.
he's gonna run away. Okay. Nityaradha Mata.
Yeah, Prabhu, what is the question? Somebody was at the door, so I missed a little bit.
Not a problem. Srivas Thakur's, when Nimai used to talk to Srivas Thakur, so Srivas Thakur think is just waste of time. This boy are taking too much time and is like completely not used for anything. This is Nyaya Shastra is Bhakaran, nothing. Bhakti is the main. So when he saw that he was working and he saw Nimai coming, what he going to do? He ran, he will stop, he will hide himself, what he can do?
Yeah, he'll just go the other way.
Right. Srivas Thakur changed the path. Okay. He take a detour. But what happened when Srivas Thakur take a detour, again he saw on that road, also in front of Srivas Thakur, that Nimai coming. Now Srivas Thakur thinking, how it is possible? He was coming from that road. And how come he was in this road too? Again he took detour. Again he saw Nimai in front of it. Then Nimai are mentioning to Srivas Thakur. What Nimai can mention to Srivas Thakur this time? Arindam?
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
So what did Srivas Thakur say to Nimai?
What Nimai said to Srivas Thakur?
Oh, Nimai said to Srivas Thakur. So I don't exactly remember the words.
Okay, not a problem. Rachana Mata, what could be he say?
He would say, you don't know anything, Nimai. Go away from here.
No, Nimai was saying to Srivas Thakur.
Oh, Nimai. Oh, maybe he will say, wherever you go, you will find me. Oh, where are you running? Running away from me. You will find me everywhere, in all the directions.
Okay. Jyoti Mata?
You cannot escape me.
You cannot escape me. Okay.
Something like Palaccho kothay, by something like where you are hiding or where you are running away, something like this.
Okay. Why they were running away? Okay. Radha Shiva Mata?
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. I'm going to agree with what the other devotees said. Very similar to what the other devotees said.
Ausharya Mata?
I agree with everybody, Prabhuji.
Okay, thank you. Shapna Mata?
Don't know, Prabhuji. I go with all.
Okay, thank you. Vaishali, are you there?
Yes, Prabhu. I think, did he say like his knowledge is incomplete and something on that line? Like whatever
Okay.
he's, yeah.
Shivanidhi?
So it's like pretty much the same as everyone else is saying. So I'll take a guess, and maybe he was saying that there's no point in running away from me. You will find me everywhere, or I'm everywhere. So there's no point in running away.
Okay. Sudevi, are you there? Okay. So Nimai replied to Srivas Thakur, today you tried to escape me. You tried to escape me, but one day will come. One day will come. You will run for me and surrender to my lotus feet. surrender to my lotus feet. Who said? Mahaprabhu. One day will come. Not only you, Nara, meaning Advaita Acharya, all will come and fall to my lotus feet. Srivas Thakur, on his mind, he was very happy. He was just thinking, he's saying, I'm waiting for that day. When that day will come. Because Srivas Thakur knows who is Nimai. Srivas Thakur knows Nimai is Supreme Personality of Godhead. Because of these pastimes, he was learning all the Bhakarans, Nyaya Shastras. So he was talking about the Nyaya Shastras, Bhakaran, all the Shushka, all the dry. And Srivas Thakur don't want to waste his time. So he was in mind, he was praying. I am praying every day that we want to see you that form very soon. Then, after a couple of months later, Mahaprabhu start coming early morning to Srivas Thakur house. But what he used to do? He used to pick the flower. Yes, Shivanidhi, you have questions?
Yes, Prabhu. Like I had a question in my mind right now, that if Srivas Thakur understands that he is the incarnation of Krishna in the mood of Radharani, and if he understands that, why is he running away from him? If he is saying that I'm looking forward to that day when I do come and surrender myself unto you, so why is he running away if he knows his true self, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's true self?
Very good questions. Very good questions. Devotee don't want to waste his time. Gopis, when Lord Krishna left from the Rashasthali, then gopis are looking for Krishna. Krishna want to test to gopis, and what he did? He make himself with a Chaturbhuj Vishnu. Chaturbhuj Vishnu, where in just in little bit of ahead, and he's standing there. When gopis went there, you know what gopis said to Lord Vishnu? Oh Lord, you know everything. Could you please tell us where Krishna left? Which path? We're actually looking for him. Because gopis are not having any attachment with Vishnu also, even though he's the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Srivas Thakur, he knows the Nimai is Krishna, but the devotee don't accept any Bhakaran or Nyaya Shastras, which one is completely directive in a wrong direction. The Lord doing pastimes, but devotee don't accept that pastimes. That's why Srivas Thakur don't want to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in act of the Bhakaran student or Nyaya Shastras teacher. That's the reason.
Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you. Makes sense.
Okay. So then Mahaprabhu used to come and pick the flower and left in a flower basket and left from there. One day, Srivas was thinking, who's picking up the flower for me every day? Then he saw Nimai. He was praying, my dear Lord, for your worship, you are picking up your own flower. Now please come your original form and accept our worship. He used to pray every day. Then what happened? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nimai. Oh my God, time is running very fast. I will take 3 more minutes today because tomorrow the time is changing. We all will lost 1 hour. So I'm not going to take longer, and I'll have to find out how my video was in locked. So next class, I want my video in back. So we'll check with the tech people. So then Nimai, after doing this, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, now 13 years old. When Mahaprabhu 13 years old, he start his own toll. Okay, he start his own school. All students come, and that times whole Navadvips knows disciple of What's his guru's name? How many of you remember?
Gangadash Pandit.
Right, Gangadash Pandit. Remember, in between I ask the questions because then you can remember. Okay, Gangadash Pandit. So he's a disciple of Gangadash Pandit. Nimai, no one can defeat him by fighting with Bakaran, Nyaya Shastra, Kabya Tithya Alankara, Adi. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu now running a toll in just courtyard of his house. We'll hear from his toll what he's doing to we'll hear until he will go to Bangladesh, how that will come. Then after Bangladesh, he will come back, he will get married. So those who will hear our next classes. Okay, and next classes will stop until his sannyas, and then second module, when you will registered, we'll declare in our webpage that when we'll start our second module. But obviously I was thinking maybe in April we'll start sooner. So all of you can text on our group that how sooner you want it. We can do that, even though maybe 1 week late, 1 week after our class finished, then we can continue. But we'll hear from you guys, and now we'll stop, but we can take 1 or 2 questions if you want. Who have questions?